Folks, this is your second stimulus check, second stimulus package update for December 30th. Just checking in here to see if anybody received their stimulus check. Please drop a comment here saying you did or didn't. I'll be doing this video here. It's an update on when you will get your check if you haven't already, and what the payout times are and what you have to do if you didn't get it. Again, I'm glad that everybody's watching these videos. I'm glad some folks got some money, put some food on the table. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, ring the bell, and make sure and give this video a thumbs up and share it. Go over and smack that thumbs up button. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching the videos I've been putting up and promoting this channel. That's just awesome. You're awesome. You are what makes this channel. It isn't nothing I do. So let's get right into this. But before we do, just in case I don't put up another video, I want to wish you all a happy new year. And I hope your new year goes great tonight and you have a great new year and a great weekend on top of all this. Try to stay tuned and watch this video all the way through to the end, because it's got a lot of helpful information when you will be receiving your check. And a little bit of talk about the $2,000. From what I've understood is if they pass it, you should get the difference paid besides the $600, the difference of the $1,400. From what I've heard. According to the IRS and House committee documents, automatic stimulus payments will continue to go out via direct deposit and mail into January. The IRS noted that payments made via direct deposit may show up in your bank accounts as pending or provisional until January 4th. It's at like Monday or Tuesday. But we'll see how it goes here. A lot of folks, like I said, say they already received theirs. I haven't received mine yet. Hope it comes soon. I don't believe nothing's true and final until it's in the bank, and I don't even believe it then until it's in my hand. The IRS and U.S. Treasury started making stimulus payments to banks Tuesday night. A lot of folks did get them last night and today, with checks going out on Wednesday. When could you be payment date, and why January 15th matters. I think the deadline, they can't make no more out after January 15th here. And there's a lot on this here. Biden says he's going to send out stimulus checks too, but they also say that we could get the difference of this $600. If they approve the $2,000, we could get $1,400 extra sent too. But all that's hearsay. All I know is it took almost 8 months to receive $600. Can't get too mad after this long. All you could do is laugh. That's just unreal. A turtle could have delivered it from East Coast to the West Coast in faster time. The IRS said it had begun sending the second round of payments to bank accounts on Tuesday night and through the mail starting Wednesday. Some are already reporting they've received the money in their bank accounts. Good job. Yay. Folks need that. Need to pay their bills, keep food on the table for their kids. The IRS stimulus payments started less than 2 days after President Donald Trump signed the COVID-19 relief bill that authorized the second stimulus check for up to $600 per person on Sunday. So that's why they were able to send it out so quick. They didn't wait to see if it was going to be the $2,000, because they said they could make that retroactive and send that off. Again, I believe you have to make under $75,000 to get the $600, and I think over $75,000 the price drops down per person. It's supposed to be $600 per dependent. If you didn't get yours for your dependent, or you have, please leave a comment below. Again, make sure and give this video a thumbs up. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin confirmed the direct deposit schedule on Twitter. These payments may begin to arrive in some accounts by direct deposit as early as Tuesday and will continue into next week, Mnuchin tweeted. Tuesday afternoon, in a second tweet, Mnuchin said the IRS would start sending checks and the EIP debit cards through the mail on Wednesday. The EIP debit cards is, instead of getting a check or the direct deposit in your bank, it would be on a credit card. The IRS is on a tight schedule for making payments and needs to conclude sending stimulus checks in January, and that's where the January 15th date comes from. On Tuesday, the IRS announced it had started making its initial direct deposit payments to bank accounts, with payments continuing into next week. The IRS said eligible individuals do not need to take any actions, if you're eligible, to receive this second payment, as it will use the direct deposit information it has on file to make the payment. So if you filed your taxes last year or have any IRS files that has your information on it, they will use that to send you their check. And if you have moved and all that, you need to contact the IRS and check online to see where you could update your address. And if you changed your banking information too, but make sure you only talk to an IRS representative. The IRS cautioned that some may see the direct deposit payments as pending or provisional payments in their accounts before the official payment due date of January 4th, 2021. Seems like I'm repeating myself, but I'm just letting you know, making it clear that this is exactly 100% the truth news, not fake news. The IRS said for those it doesn't have current direct deposit information on file, it will send the payment as a check or IEP debit cards in the mail. So if that's the way you want it, you'll get it by that. Make sure again you haven't moved, change your mailing address. Those payments will begin to be mailed starting today. Wednesday, December 30th, the IRS said. The IRS said it is updating its Get My Payment tool for the second round of payments and anticipates those who qualify for a check will be able to see the status of both the first and second payments in a few days. The Get My Payment portal is available in English and Spanish. Remember that. That's Get My Payment portal. The IRS said that to speed delivery of payments, we will send some payments using an economic impact prepaid debit card payment. Prepaid debit card. And notes that some people who received a paper check last time might receive a debit card this time. And some people who received a debit card last time may receive a paper check this time. The IRS cautioned that those who are eligible but don't receive a direct deposit should watch their mail for a check or EIP debit card. The debit cards will arrive in a white envelope that displays the U.S. Department of Treasury seal, the IRS said. So check your mail frequently, folks. I shouldn't say it, but a lot of folks like to go out there and steal mail. It's just the way it is, especially if they know a debit card's going to be coming. They'll try to figure out a way to try to hack it. It's the way the world turns sometimes. January 15th is a cutoff date in the $900 billion stimulus bill, by which time the IRS and U.S. Treasury must stop sending payments if you don't receive your full refund stimulus check by Monday, January 15th. Now, folks, that's just a little over 2 weeks away. So you got to keep on top of this here, because they will not do any more after January 15th, I believe. So keep on it, check, make sure if you didn't get it, start looking around, seeing what to do, how to try to get your check. Stimulus check money by January 15th. You will need to claim all or part of your missing amount when you file your federal taxes in January 2021 through the Recovery Rebate Credit. You'll also be able to claim any money the IRS still owes you from the first round of the stimulus payments, which is good. So remember that. Recovery Rebate Credit. People who receive their stimulus payments through direct deposit are less likely to be affected, but there is potentially a distinct disadvantage for people who don't have direct deposit set up with the IRS. Tying the delivery of a second stimulus check to the 2020 tax return will most certainly delay delivery to many people, since a wide variance in circumstances will cause some people to file taxes as early as January and others as late as in April 15th to be exact, or even later if they need to request an extension. It also isn't clear how quickly the IRS would process the payments. The IRS said if Congress does approve raising the $600 checks to $2,000, it will issue the bonus amount as quickly as possible. That's great news. Again, folks, this concludes this update. for the second stimulus check, second stimulus package. I hope everyone received their check and will receive the check. I know it's not much, and I hope we will get this $2,000 all together. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe and ring the bell. Make sure go right on over and hit the thumbs up, folks. Hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment if you got your check. I will answer every single one of them. Most of all, take care and be safe.